I think for us, it's all about streamlining. Instead of using whiteboards to schedule things, have one spot where you can see everybody's calendars, everything in the company, from estimates to installs. Having something centralized has been really beneficial for us.
The software itself is very simple to use. We partnered with them specifically because of their template options. Really enjoy their process of how they've actually developed the software for specifically defense contracting.
It's super simple for the fence guy.
The system, it's super easy to work with.
You want to rent a fence company. That's what you want to do. You're not trying to be a software engineer.
The way that the estimate looks when the homeowner gets it, it's super professional.
I've heard dozens of times how professional my bid looks versus other contractors.
I think the presentation of it to the customer gives us an edge.
It definitely helps me close more jobs.
The business is running, I'm not going to say by itself, but it's just, everything's a lot easier. My experience in Contractor has just been amazing. If you really want to grow, if you really want to save time and money, leave it up to them.